Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have some pretty cool Hot Wheel unboxings. So starting off, this giant box just came in from Mattel. It's actually pretty heavy. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I feel like it was supposed to release around this time of year. And I don't know if that's exactly what's in here. I saw my email had a bunch of stuff that's out for delivery. I didn't really look to see exactly what all was out for delivery. So we will see. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this thing open because there could be a couple different things. But either way, it's going to be an exciting video and an awesome case unboxing. And like I said, this box is actually pretty heavy. So, alrighty. So open it up right now. I see that I have multiple smaller cases. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. So we got, let's see, I guess I only got 4. Only got 4. Wow. Okay, so these are pretty cool looking. I'm just going to go ahead and set the others aside. But this right here is the main box right here, which I think looks pretty cool. So it's your kind of traditional case. I know in the last video with the Arsham collectibles, it actually came with this smaller case right here. Similar design and everything. But obviously this one is a lot bigger. And yeah, so this actually came out, like, I believe it was like late summer last year. So this took over a year to finally come in. So if you want one of these, they sold out like over a year ago. I will say, like, as you saw, I have 4 of these sets. But if you guys are interested in one of these, I do have one on my merch store. So as this video goes live, one of these cases will be on there. I will actually open up the case and take out the inner box just to make sure that everything's not damaged, because I don't want to just ship out one of these and then have you get it, open it up, and find out it's damaged. But I'm going to go ahead and open up one for this video and check it out, because I do want to display one. But I do have a merch store, so that is for my main channel and for this channel. And obviously this channel is all about Hot Wheels and collectibles. So if you hop on there, there's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can go check that out. I do have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there. I have Hot Wheel Mainline, Premium, RLC, and Monster Trucks. I do plan on having other stuff come out in the future, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then I have a bunch of other cool, like, automotive related stuff for my main channel. But as we open up the box, we see that it looks like there's another box inside. Alright, let's see if I can get this out of here. Okay, so there's a little flap, so that flap opens. I don't know if I could use that as a way to slide this out. There we go. Okay, that is a really tight fit. Let me set the case aside. And this is just like an extra piece of cardboard that sits in there, I guess, to keep it from bouncing around. But this right here has some, like, has tissue paper on it to, I guess, protect it. And it looks like I can just slide that right off. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this off and show you guys what this is. So as you see on this side, you have the brand new DeLorean. So this is the AlphaV, which I don't even think these are released to the public yet. So that's the brand new DeLorean. But also you have the old school original DeLorean DMC. This actually came out, I believe, like 85 or 86. So this is a old school car. And I guess, like, the company went under and they did not produce anymore. Well, now DeLorean is back, and that's what they got. So obviously this is a DeLorean Hot Wheel collaboration, which it's like kind of like in a cool shiny font there. Has the Hot Wheel logo on each side, and then the bottom is actually open. So I believe this just slides off. Okay. There we go. And it has, like, the same print, but it has a bunch of text. Okay, so the new AlphaV was actually designed in 2022 in Italy. So you have some info right there, and then you also have that right there if you guys want to pause that and read it. But then there's that with the new car. And then, oh, okay, so the original DeLorean actually came out in 1981. So yeah, obviously that car was kind of best known for being in Back to the Future. And there's the info on it right there. If you guys want to pause that. But let's see how this thing opens. So there looks like there's a piece of cardboard glued right here with like a crease down the middle. So I believe it hinges open. Yep. So it hinges right there. Let's see if there's anything else to show you guys, but it's actually pretty cool. It has the info on each side. But let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. Like, I haven't even seen it in person yet. So you guys right now watching this are seeing it, and I'm only watching it on a little screen this big on the side of the camera. So check that out. You have like the original Hot Wheel design from like way back when, and then you have the new modern kind of Hot Wheel package design right there. Since this is going to be my display, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of crease it, get that crease a little bit more open so I can display this more opened up. All right, so I'm going to turn around and check these out. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. So each one of these cars is almost like a super treasure hunt quality, or like almost like a Hot Wheel RLC quality. Wow, they look phenomenal. Even the Hot Wheel logo, I don't know if that's showing up on camera. The red on the Hot Wheel logo on both of them is actually like a holographic, kind of like a shiny red there, which looks really cool. And then you can see it has like the nicer paint, and then it has the Real Riders tires on it. So obviously it's like a Hot Wheel premium, and same with the old school DMC DeLorean. Has like the Real Riders tires, and oh man, that packaging looks so cool. You can see like that holographic on the red there. Man, that looks awesome. Even where it hangs on the peg, it has a little piece, you can kind of see it right there, where it would be punched out to be hung on a peg. And then this one has like the new style where it's just like the cardboard hook. So that is really cool seeing both of those like that. Man, let me know down in the comments down below which one of these is your favorite, because I'm a huge fan of the old school DeLorean, but also that new one just looks absolutely amazing. And if you guys did see Fast X, the new DeLorean was actually featured in the movie. So that was kind of cool. And man, seeing this here just looks amazing. Oh, so I was saying like AlphaV, it's Alpha5. So obviously Roman numeral for 5 is V. This is amazing, seeing the two side by side, and that they brought these in like a really cool display case too. Like that just looks amazing. Like it's a nice fancy box, and I love how even like the top up here has like the new DeLorean logo, and then it has the old school logo up here, and then like the new kind of font down at the bottom, so the DeLorean DMC 12, and then the new Alpha5 right there on the other side. And then whenever you look around at the back when they're both opened up, that's how it looks. This is such a cool set. Like, I cannot believe how amazing this looks. And I will not be opening these up and taking them out. These will like forever stay in here. Even the one that I plan on collecting in my personal collection, which will be this one, will remain in this state. Like, I'm not gonna mess with them. Even has like plastic there to kind of hold them in on the top. I'm sure it has something on the bottom to kind of hold them in place so that they don't shift around. And then even on the side, like whenever you pull up like a, let's see, like a regular Hot Wheel, it has like the series kind of like right here along the side. And then up here in the corner, it says like, this is like 2 of 10 of like the Japanese series. This one right here, let's see if I can kind of show you guys that, has the series, and the series says Hot Wheels Special Editions, and then the little picture is the Alpha5, and then right above it, it says 1 of 1. So that's actually really cool that it still brought in like all of the elements of like the new modern packaging, which you guys can kind of see there, brought in like all of those elements, but they did it in such like a nicer way so that like the Hot Wheel logos and like that holographic red and then like the special editions 1 of 1. That is so cool. And then even on the back side of the car, it actually has plastic that's more like molded so that the cars, they don't move around, whereas like a regular Hot Wheel, they move around. So whenever they move around and shift, if the box gets dropped, that's usually where the blisters packs get cracked. Also like another nice touch on that. So if you notice like other Hot Wheels have like the corners in the packaging, they're kind of more squared off. When you look at this one, the top corners are actually like rounded. Well, even the bottom corners are rounded too, but the tops are more exaggeratedly kind of rounded, if that even makes sense. Both of them kind of have like that same kind of blister pack there, which, man, these look absolutely amazing. So like I said, I will have one of these on my website. I'm going to have one of these other ones. Whenever you guys do purchase it, I will be putting it in a box, wrapping it in some bubble wrap so it will come nice and protected, so there's no dents or bangs or anything. All of these came like nice and snug in a box. The box is actually in great condition, so all of these, there's like no crush damage, no impact damage, and they're all in great condition. But there will be a link in the description down below where you guys can go check out my merch store, because like I said, I have a lot of cool stuff, such as like keychains, multi-tools, even like some plush NOS bottles. But then also I have like Hot Wheels stuff where I have like all the different versions of different Hot Wheels, like the premiums, mainline, RLC, stuff like that. So definitely go check that out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.